Are you a massive Samsung fan? If so, this video is custom made for you. Today, we are talking about the smartphone that has been sending shockwaves through the tech world even before its official launch. That is right, the Samsung Galaxy A75 5G, the phone poised to claim the crown of the mid-range segment. Now, you might be wondering, how can it possibly be this powerful? Well, we've got our hands on the complete, leaked spec sheet, and we are going to break it down piece by piece for you. If you are planning to buy a brand new, high-performance camera device in the mid-range market this year, you definitely want to stick around until the end. We are about to reveal all the mind-blowing features, expected pricing, and launch details you need to know. So, without further ado, let us dive straight into this powerhouse of a phone, the Samsung Galaxy A75 5G. The display. First things first, let's talk about the display. The Samsung Galaxy A75 5G rocks a gorgeous 6.75-inch premium Super AMOLED panel. It delivers such vibrant, punchy colors that watching videos and gaming will feel like an absolute treat. With a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels, every single scene is crystal clear. And get this, coupled with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels as effortless as sliding through warm butter. You also get an in-display fingerprint sensor embedded right into the screen, alongside responsive multi-touch support that reacts instantly to your every tap. Camera setup. Now, let us talk about the camera setup, because this is where the game completely changes. Samsung has packed the A75 with a versatile quad camera system, engineered to deliver pro-level shots whether you are zooming in or keeping it wide. You get a massive 108-megapixel wide-angle lens equipped with OIS, meaning your photos will stay razor-sharp even if your hands are a little shaky. Alongside that, there is a 32-megapixel ultra-wide sensor designed to capture way more than meets the eye, a 16-megapixel telephoto lens to ensure your distant close-up shots never miss a detail, and a 5-megapixel macro lens because sometimes the tiniest things hold the biggest beauty. And for all you selfie lovers out there, you get a jaw-dropping 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Yes, 50 megapixels on the front, so your unfiltered selfies are going to be instantly ready to go viral. Performance. What is under the hood? We know you are curious. This phone is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, a chip that handles heavy 5G connectivity and multitasking like an absolute pro. For graphics, it features the Xclipse 710 GPU, which means heavy-hitting games will run completely lag-free. Plus, it runs on One UI based on Android 17, making the user experience smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. Battery and charging. When it comes to battery life, you are looking at a robust 5500 mAh powerhouse that will easily cruise through a full day of heavy usage. When it is time to juice back up, the 50-watt super fast charging will pump energy back into your phone in mere minutes. The best part, it also supports 25-watt wireless charging. Just drop it on your wireless charging pad before bed and wake up fully energized and ready to go. Price and launch date. Now for the ultimate question, the price. According to market leaks, this device is expected to launch at around $550. You are getting flagship tier features at a mid-range price point, and that is going to be its biggest superpower. As for the official launch date, it is still shrouded in mystery. Samsung hasn't dropped any official confirmation yet, but industry insiders speculate it could arrive toward the end of the year or early next year. The moment we get an update, you will be the first to know right here on the channel. So, what do you think of Samsung's upcoming beast? Are you ready to drop your hard-earned cash on this one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.